How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Ross Triller. I make videos doing performance modifications to vehicles. And today I got a product sent to me by AUXITO. They're a company that sponsored me in the past. They sent me a jump starter with an air compressor to test out. You can basically jump start any gasoline engine or any diesel engine up to 8 liters. And you can also air up tires to 120 PSI, which I don't know if you'd ever want to air up a tire that high for any reason. You'd probably blow it up. But anyways, we're gonna test this out, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. All right, so here we are with the box. Down here showcases everything that this product can do. Obviously, it's an engine starter, it can jump start your car. It's a power bank, you can charge your phone, laptop, any kind of lithium ion device that can be recharged. It has an LED light on the side of it as well. And the awesome thing about it is it's also a tire inflator. On the side right here, we pretty much have all the specs on this product. And on the other two sides right here, it pretty much shows all the information on how to use this product. So now we'll go ahead and unbox it. What's really nice is it comes with its own hard case. This is a hard case. A lot of these jump starter packs, they don't usually come with that. We'll go ahead and unbox this side right here. This is a tire inflator. You'll screw this into the device. It also has a lock right here that you can lock onto your valve stem of your tire, and that allows you just to walk away, do some other things while this thing airs up. These are the leads right here that will go into your battery, obviously negative and positive. We got a charging cable right here for your phone or to charge the device. And we also got some tools for airing up miscellaneous items with the air compressor. On the side right here, we got a quick user manual. And here is the beast right here. The AUXITO tire inflator and jump starter. Go ahead and power it on. Got 100% battery. Looks like it's flickering on the camera, but it's just completely still in real life. I believe if I press this, the tire inflator will go. There's that. And you can set the tire pressure that you want. If you press this M button right here, you can tell the device what kind of product you're airing up. Obviously, it's motorcycle, bike, basketball, or your car tires. So that's cool. The light button right here obviously has an LED light. It's pretty bright. A couple different modes. So before I got this product, I actually had a couple devices like this, but they are separate. This is just a jump starter right here. This was a gift. Works well, nothing wrong with it. It is actually a little bit smaller than this. That's because it does not have a tire inflator on it. Here's my tire inflator right here, which is pretty bulky. I'm not sure how much either of these products cost. They're both gifts. I'm assuming they weren't too expensive. This one does not have a battery. It actually plugs into your cigarette lighter, and you basically just set the PSI and everything that you want. Works well, nothing wrong with it, but kind of a hassle to use a cigarette lighter and everything like that. So this pretty much combines all of this stuff into one easy to use product. Definitely got to have one of these if you're going on a road trip or anything, in case anything happens, you get a jump start, a weak battery. Your tire gets low, you need to air it up. Also, if you're at the racetrack or going off roading, you need to air up, air down PSI. Just a great thing to have right here. So here is a car I've had on my channel before. It's my Infiniti G35 Coupe. This is the car that pretty much started my channel, but I haven't really got to drive it much, and the battery on it is completely dead. So this is gonna be the perfect candidate to test out this AUXITO jump starter. We'll go ahead and test the battery voltage right here. I'm pretty sure it's low. This thing might have a slow leak on it. Whoop. All right, we're at 1.4 volts. It's pretty bad. That's pretty much a completely drained battery. Hopefully the mic's not picking up all this wind noise because it is pretty windy out here, but go ahead and plug this in. We'll connect the positive first, and now the negative. There we go, 100%. Might see the battery start to go down because it is charging it. All right, let's go ahead and give it a start. All right, I'm hearing the key click, which means we got some power. Make sure we're in neutral. Oh, wow. Hasn't been started in a while. There we go. There we go. Started up. We can go ahead and pull these off. As you can see, it jump started. This is a 3.5 liter V6, and it jump started pretty much instantly. So I didn't have to let this thing charge really at all. I just hooked it up just like you're jump starting it from another car, and started right up. even though this battery was completely dead. So after those 2 jump starts, I had to jump start it twice, so we're about 87%. I would safely say you could probably jump start one of those cars about 10 times before this thing dies. Well, fortunately, I don't have any tires that are bad, so we're gonna take some air out of this one. For comparison, this tire is a 275 by 55 by 20. Pretty big tire, it's a truck tire, takes a lot of air. Supposed to be a pretty good test. We'll take it down to about 10 PSI and see how long it takes for the air compressor to air this thing up. To connect the air compressor hose, pretty much just thread it on. And now we'll set the tire pressure. I think I'll set it to about 38. Press this thing on, lock it with the lock. You can see we're at 18 PSI right now. And to start it, pretty much just press this. And there we go. Let it sit. I'll keep the camera on just for time's sake, and we'll see how long this thing takes to air up. All right, there we are at 37. I guess I set it at 37, not 38, but not too long there. Let's go ahead and pull this off. 79%. That is pretty crazy. This tire is at 18%. They put a bunch of air in it and it's only at 79%. I would bet that we could air up all 4 tires from 0 on this truck on 1 charge. Well guys, I'm really impressed by this product. I think it's a must-have for all vehicles. Got to have one of these in your car at all times. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, make sure to use my affiliated link and my coupon code Ross Trittler for 15% off. Every purchase you make helps out the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Also, AUXITO is running a pretty hefty discount on these. Limited time is 20% off. So you can use my 15% discount code. On top of this, get 35% off. Also, they sell LED bulbs for your headlights, taillights, whatever you want. They have the whole package. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you AUXITO for sending me this. This is a great product. I'll always keep it in my truck. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comments below. With all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.